Welcome to my newest listing, 9601 Rolling Thunder Avenue, Las Vegas, Nevada. Come and check it out. This house has 2,494 square feet. It's a lot of space. Comes with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. If you'd like to tour this property, give me a call. Happy to help. Mike and Team Chobanian.